Aboki agawagokwa. Chibike na-akwa afọ ọzọ. Aya, jidere ya, chekere mba. Yo, my brothers and sisters, I want to educate so many of us on some problem we are having in family, things that bring problem to our family, various family. One is this thing, communication, and two, opinion matters, and secondly, the third one, spending time with your family. N'ezinụlọ ọbụla edighi enwe time nọdụ with ụmụaka gị, nwunye gị, you are missing something. One, the woman will no longer have a full trust for you as a man. If you are a woman doing it, your husband will not have that full assurance that you are still together. And in the second thought, come to opinion. In a family, man can be suggest how to protect me or go off managing on. Nwere ike abịa tụlecha ada okwu.
Reality.
So when that woman bring opinion, if dere gị as a man, iche. If dere gị as a man, iche a na-ewofu ife na anụ were eri anụ. Ị ga just weta anụ otu a ribe. No, it's not done that way. Mgbe ị bịa tụle that thing, ịfụ na ị ga-icheke ya ọfụma nyocha ya, ịfụ na there are so many ideas and so many that thing ga-add na the family. So you have to make use of that woman opinion. In next time, ị bịarukwa nwee ka onye si jide gị, hook gị somehow, you call that your wife, because when the reason eji mee husband and wife. I know that man is the head of the family, but woman still have the right. Woman is the soldier of the family. I know that I am a man. In case of tomorrow, if I get married or I involve myself in any aspect of relationship, when I'm working in a company, if I have any issue, I'll have to seek the opinion of that my lady. So many people have something upstairs, but if you not ask them, they will not give you. So another one that I have to tell you, spending time with your kids, being a father or a mother. You know that they call it husband and wife, and they call the other word relationship. When you are still in a relationship, you have not that hold that tight, you get. But when you have already become husband and wife, una two na like this. One, no divide, no demarcation. So in that family, when the man is missing to have time with he or her children, let alone only the woman will be taking care of the children, let alone your kid not have time to talk to you or share something with you. If you are the kid, will you have anything to do with the man? I'm asking you. Okay, come to part of a woman. You tell me that I have office work, I'm running late, 5 a.m. in the morning, don't run to house. In the evening, you go come around 8:30 when the pikin don't sleep finish. Let alone you go call am my pikin. Your pikin now. How can you explain that? When you are small like that pikin, now so your mama take train you. Now so they treat you, you can't grow finish, can't enter office the work. May we minimize some certain things in this life. Later you say, I train my child in a proper way. He is now becoming what unbearable to me. Oga, no be only education be training. No.